Hi all, welcome to my channel. So have you also given an attempt to make ragi roti and it did not come out fluffy? So today I'm gonna share you my recipe wherein the ragi roti will be very soft and fluffy, and I'll also show you how to knead the dough so that you get the best results. So now you need ragi atta and same amount of water. So now I'm gonna heat the pan, and once the pan is heated I'm going to add water and let it boil. So it is so important that you add ragi atta to the boiled water, only then you'll get the consistency and it will mix so well. And as you know, the wheat is got gluten, this does not have, so it doesn't bind, so you need hot water for that. So you can see this should be consistency wherein it is all binded together, and after a while it should be binded well. You can see I'm able to make the ball out of it, and you will be able to make small balls like so what I am doing, and then you can prepare the rotis very easily. So once this is been done, this is nicely rounded, you need some ragi atta which is loose, and then you are just going to coat all over, and you are going to make the rotis how you prepare your regular rotis of wheat. So trust me, since you added boiling water and you mix it all well, you're gonna make it like a roti and it will bind so well. You can see how I'm doing because it is not breaking from between, so it won't break, and it will be like really, it won't be so round, but yeah, you will be able to manage to make the roti and it will be very soft, trust me. So let's make a round, let's try to manage and make a round so that it looks like a roti shape, and you just have to use the rolling pin to make it round. Now it is done, just switch on the flame. Here I'm using induction, you can use the regular gas what you have, and you have to roast it both the side very well. So just take care that the roti is in the medium flame, because you don't want to burn it also, and you don't want it to be not cooked. So you have to cook it properly from both the side. I'm using a cloth to just make it more fluffy. If you want, you can directly put it on flame and make the wheat chapati how you prepare. So it's very easy. So you just have to press it at the side and wait for the roti to make it very fluffy, you can see. And you just have to give it a round, and then you will be able to see that the roti is done and it is also getting bouncy. So can you see how beautifully the roti is fluffed out? And trust me, this is cooked so well, it is proper and it is soft at the same time, so you won't feel like you are having ragi roti or wheat roti. It is so amazing. So now I'm taking butter. You can take butter or ghee of your choice, and ensure that you put it all over the roti, because you want your roti to be even more softer, because there are high chances that your roti later on becomes little dry, which we don't want. So ensure you put little bit of ghee or little bit of any of the butter so that it becomes soft and tasty when you eat. So this is how I'm serving it with some lobia and dal, which is a good combination of high in protein, iron, calcium, and this is kind of a very good diet. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.